In today's video, I'm going to show you the small changes that you can make to get your home decor ready for summer. So make sure that you stay to the end because I'm decorating my coffee bar. Hey my friends, welcome back to my channel. It is that time again. It's time to decorate my coffee bar and a couple other places, and it is time to decorate for summer this time. So today I'm going to show you how I just made a few little tweaks and changes here and there in my kitchen and in my dining room to make it ready for summer, as well as how I decorated my coffee bar for summer. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, this is my dining table now, and this is just a basic everyday or every season setting, whatever you want to call it. And I'm probably not going to do too much except for change out the napkins and add some lemons to the center part right there. And that's probably going to be it for my dining room table. So for once, I actually like this setup with the bird cages that I got from Hobby Lobby, with this that I got from Hobby Lobby. I think I got these from Hobby Lobby, but anyway, so I'm just gonna add the lemons and just let that kind of be it for the decor on my table. I think I am gonna add some of these instead of just the singular lemons, at least to this middle part. I just think it gives it a little bit more than just like one just sitting down on the green. I got these napkins and this adorable napkin ring from Amazon last year. So I will make sure that I link both of these in the description box. Just for a little lanyard, I'm just going to show you how I change up just a couple of areas in my kitchen. It's not anything major. I basically just replace this little plant with the lemon tree, and then I replace this towel with this lemon towel, and that's pretty much it. And then for this, I'm just going to scoot this down, take this off, and I actually made this. I bought a little dollar frame. Well, now it would be $1.25. I took some white paint and just dry brushed white paint to make it look worn, and then I printed this off the internet and put it in the frame. So this cost me basically $1 at the time. So anyway, I'm just gonna put that here, and that's it for this whole little area. And then in this space, I'm just gonna change a couple of things. I'll probably just keep this here. I'm just gonna remove this. I'm gonna remove these two things and replace it with this, just to add that touch of yellow. But I'm also going to fill this with fake lemons. Then, let's see, let me move this back. I'm gonna put that sign there. I'm gonna add this here. And that is that little space. So you can see it doesn't take much to change out your decor for a season. It's just a matter of maybe switching a couple of things out, make it easier on yourself. It doesn't have to be some monumental thing, but it's just enough to just make just a couple little tweaks can make a huge difference. All right, before I get started, I just wanted to show you the before, and if you'll take note, if you've seen my other coffee bar videos, I have had Christmas lights in this area since before Christmas or right around Christmas. I can't remember if, yeah, I think these were on, no, these are actually after Christmas. So since January, they've been on. I never unplug them, and they finally went out. So I got to replace those because I really like the glow. Anyway, this is the before, and I'm going to clean all this off, wipe everything down, and then get started with the change. Now for my summer decor, I'm not gonna put all of these little things away because I may actually use them as fillers. I'm not gonna put any of this stuff away because I do also, so I typically decorate with lemons for summer. But I also like to incorporate the navy that I have in my house, because my kind of accent color in my house is navy. So I do like to keep some blue in with my summer decor. So I'm just gonna set this to the side because I may use some of it. Now, as far as my coffee kind of area, pretty much going to keep everything the same. Not sure about this. I am removing this, and I'm removing this and replacing it with something. So definitely setting that to the side. This over here, I'm not sure. So at this point, I'm just going to kind of clean around this, and then decide what I'm going to do with that. Let me know in the comments below if you decorate for summer. I usually go all out for Christmas, for Thanksgiving or fall, and for spring, but I don't really do too much for summer. I basically mainly decorate my coffee bar for summer. But if you do decorate for summer, let me know what you do. How do you decorate? What do you decorate with? Do you use lemons, strawberries? How do you decorate? Let me know in the comments below. I may look because I did find some more white lights. Let me make sure they work actually. Well, yes, they work. So yay. If you're new to my channel, I just want to take a minute to introduce myself. My name is Melissa, and I am a wife of almost 30 years and a mom of 2 sons. My second son just graduated from LSU. In fact, in my intro, you probably saw the happy graduation sign hanging over our patio door that I haven't taken down yet. But yeah, so both of my boys are graduates from LSU, and so one does not live at home, and my second son that just graduated, he still lives at home, and I am happy to have him here as long as he will stay. Something I think I'm going to start doing in my videos at some point in each video is to just start having, I guess you could say, Melissa's mom tips. But now that my boys are grown up, I feel like they, are good kids and they just have good heads on their shoulders. So I felt like maybe, it might help someone out there to just give, some tips that me and my husband have done with our boys throughout their childhood and even now. But I think the first thing is we have dinner night every night. We sit at the table and we have dinner. After we eat, we stay at the table, we chit chat, we talk. We talk about so many different things, and it's not something that we started doing like on purpose. It just kind of developed into it. We always had dinner, where we would all sit at the table, but just the whole, sitting at the dinner table after dinner and just chatting, that is something that I feel like was really good for our boys. And they even say now how much they enjoyed doing that. It's definitely something that sounds simple, but has a bigger impact than you realize. Now that everything is finished, I just want to give you an overview look of my dining table. The couple of places in the kitchen that I switched out some decor with, and my coffee bar. And I hope that this has given you a little bit of inspiration for decorating for summer. And as I said before, you don't have to do, a whole lot. It's just a matter of changing things, switching things up a little bit, switching, a plain green plant for something with some color. Just simple things such as like this towel, just switching out a towel. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope, like I said, this gave you a little bit of motivation to get some summer decorating done. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. If you like home decor, shopping hauls, meal ideas, and home organization, then I would love it if you would become part of my YouTube family by clicking the subscribe button, click the bell button, and if you want to see more tier tray videos, tier tray decor videos for summer, then give this video a thumbs up. But remember that I'm trying to reach my goal of 4,000 subscribers by the end of the year, so that would help me a lot. And if you want more home decor video ideas, then click the box you see on the screen right now, and I will see you next time. Bye.